Free Tip Friday. What's up, my woodworking friends? Some of you may already know this tip, right? You got these, anything, your chargers, your power strip cords, anything that has these mounting holes that you need to mount on the wall somewhere or on a workbench or something, right? It's like, it's not hard, okay? But an easy way to take this and transfer this to whatever you're mounting it on is some blue tape, a ruler, and what you're doing is you're just measuring from this point of the mount to this point of the mount where the screws are going to stop, right? Take your measurement, take it to some tape, and now you know you can put this on your surface. If this is your surface, right, you know that you're going to drill a hole here and drill a hole here, and that's it. It's going to mount really easy, really fast. It's going to save you a lot of headaches, and you put this wherever you need it, like I said. Hey, I hope that little tip helped you, the tape tip. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. Be well, be blessed. Until the next time, see you.